Alright, Repo Gadgets, doing it again. The only thing I prepared, my potatoes for scallop potatoes. I got my noodles already cooked. And I'm going to set it up the proper way to make meatballs. Got a hamburger in there. See? A little bit of onion, chopped up. Don't have to be fine, just chop. Enchilada seasoning. A little bit, not too much. You see I used a little bit of this on another meal. Got some chili powder, just a little bit, not too much. Don't want to make it too spicy. Although I do love spicy meatballs. Meatloaf seasoning. And once again, just use a little bit, not too much. Pepper. Just basic old-fashioned pepper. Italian seasoning. Very important. Just a little bit, not too much. Add some salt, just regular old table salt. Celery seed. A little bit. Garlic salt. Okay, eggs. I think 2 will do for this one. Crackers. Crumble them up all up in there. Take a fork. Oops. This takes a little bit of muscle power. I don't like working. This seems like work. If I seem a little too fast for you, that's because I've been doing this for a long time. And you don't want to hurt the eggs too much. Really, just mix it up. Mix up the spices, mix up the everything. Set my pan on the stove, get that nice and hot. Put some good old-fashioned corn oil in it. In the pan, that is. Wash my hands. Always wash your hands. And put that fork so you don't use it again. And there went my spatula. Gotta get a new spatula. My potatoes might seem oily and nasty for right now, but they won't be as soon as I add other ingredients to it, which I will show you. Meatballs. Just take a glob and kind of compress it a little bit. Voila. So they look something like that. Put it in there. It can be as big as you want, small as you want. Don't matter. It still takes the same amount of time to cook. You want to move them around a little bit so they don't stick to the pan, and they're going to stick to the pan. Close it again. Put some soap on that. There you go. Clean hands. And this stuff shouldn't take very long to cook. Just got to be careful. You don't want to kill your family with a raw meat. My hands again. I'm washing my spatula again because I got to flip over the potatoes. You do not want cross-contamination. My other spatula just went to hell. I don't know where it went. Behind the stove, I think. I'll find it. There it is. I'll wash that one. That's my favorite spatula. Cheap as dirt. eBay for about, $9. Get the soap on that. There we go. Hot water. Let it cook quick dry. I don't edit my videos, and I've said it over and over and over before, but I do not edit my videos. There's no reason to. Alright, now I got two for cook out nicely. Yeah, I didn't get them right. Mistakes happen. Don't worry about them if they break up or whatever. It's still not going to kill you. Hope not, anyway. Please cook responsibly. Oh, there it is. Okay, what I'm going to do to these potatoes, I think I got the aim just right so you can actually see my potatoes. I am going to add pesto. Basic old pesto. Not too much. Maybe 2 tablespoons. I already added salt and pepper to it. Nothing else. Let's see, what else do I have up in this monster? A little bit of flour. Just a little bit, not too much. You don't want to overdo it. Maybe a teaspoon. A little bit less than a teaspoon. Just enough to suck up the oil. It'll be alright. I've been doing this for a very long time. I don't measure anything. I don't taste test anything. Blah, 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 blah. I keep saying this over and over and over. I know. And all my mistakes are seen. That's a good thing with me, and not those other flamboyant cooks with a fancy kitchen, gigantic monster of a kitchen, perfect kitchen, so to speak. I live poorly, very poorly. My stove isn't that big. Hell, I can stretch my hands across it. Use that. No, I did, didn't I? Once again, a very bad habit. Gotta stop that. It looks ugly, but after I'm done, I guarantee to go beat up your mom for not cooking so good. Let's set the stove on low. Put some mozzarella cheese on it. Just put it in there. Mozzarella cheese. Oh no, I'm out of cheese. I love cheese. Well, I got some taco blend stuff here. Good enough. You either like it or don't. I don't care. Need to add a little water to this. Just a little bit of water, not too much. Any bit. Just enough to give it some steam. I'll wash my lid. put a lid on it. There we go. Lid's on it. Now, a lot of people just bake these, but I don't. Why? It's all going to turn to crap anyway. Literally. I'd do better, but I'm running out of time. I got to do this meal as fast as possible. Get myself fed, back to work. I gotta go wrangle me up a horse, I think, or something. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do tonight. But somebody's got me working. They had a parade this morning. I know, I have took video of it this morning. I put it on YouTube this morning. You'll see it. Okay, at this stage, I can use one spatula. I don't have to worry about cross-contamination. Because I'm only going to use it for this, for now. I'm getting in a rush and I'm breaking everything up. What happens? That's alright. It all turns out good. Everybody loves this stuff no matter how it looks. I don't edit my videos. I'm not going to make this over again. Oh, hell no. Of course, I'm going to make it again, but just not this way. It looks like a mess. Oh. Smells good, though. If you don't know what this sound is, give me a second. You need therapy. Oh, yeah. I should just break all this up and try it as it is. Oh, it smells so good. So I've got in a hurry. That's everybody's biggest problem. They're in such a hurry. I have to be. Might have something to do with a horse or a cow. Dog, cat, something. I was just called about 10 minutes ago. I'd do something for somebody doing something. All I know is they're on their way to come pick me up, and I got to be in and out. And about 30 minutes from now, he's on his way to come pick me up. He's that desperate. He knows I've been drinking all freaking day. Crazy bastard. And oh well. I just hope the job isn't dangerous. Thankfully, living in Oregon, my boss promised me to get me stoned and drunk. Well, what kind of boss does that? Then we're going to sit around and play music all day, or the rest of the night, until we pass the F out. I think every boss should be that way. I'm the only one he has, so that's the real sad part. He can't even get help from day labor. How bad is that? He's banned from obtaining help from day labor. Well, anyway, this, I'm cheating a little bit. I don't like to use this. I like to make my own, but in this case, this is fast. It's expensive, but it's fast, and I don't have to fight nothing. Add a little water to this in the jar that I just opened. It'll be alright. It just sounds bad. I gotta change utensils. Now, how the hell do you get banned from day labor? I don't get that at all. It's like way messed up. Way messed up. What the hell did he do to day labor that he's banned? Get my show plate going. I don't want to stick any more back on. That one over there. This needs to get out of my way. Let that sit there and sizzle for a second. Day labor. He's banned from day labor. How messed up is that? That is so messed up. How do you get banned from day labor? And oh my God. What the hell did he do that was so bad? And he won't tell me. He's crazy. He's out of his damn mind. He shouldn't even own cows, let alone anything else. My stuff does not stick to the pan. I've been doing this for so long that my stuff just turns out great every time. Might seem like a disaster, but that skillet, I season it every time I wash it. And yes, I do wash it with soap. But I season it before I use it every single time. Alright. And the noodles took place, and this is still hot. The good thing about this kind of stuff, you can add any noodle you want. Any noodle. It doesn't matter what kind of noodle you use. Like today, I only had a little bit of egg noodles. I put macaroni in there. See? With the food that with the regular noodles. Cooked up just fine. They're edible. Basically the same darn thing. Okay, everything's ready. Let me make this as presentable as humanly possible. Might look like a mess, but when you put it in your mouth, you're gonna smack your mother, I swear. My girlfriend can't get enough of my cooking. My cooking is always insane to her. She's never eaten food like this. Just look at that. What a glorious meal. Fantastic. So you out there on YouTube, have fun with your cooking. Even if you make mistakes, keep it online. I made one hell of a mistake. I was cooking too fast. I got about 20 minutes left, 10 minutes left to eat and get the hell out of here. Go do good God knows what. Have fun out there on YouTube. Bye.